If you're planning a 3-day trip to Uzbekistan, this video is for you. Start your journey in Tashkent, a peaceful city filled with gardens and quiet lakes. The perfect place to breathe, relax, and prepare for the mountains ahead. Next, head to the Chimgon Mountains. Take the cable car up, feel the cold wind, and watch the clouds touch the peaks. Just below lies Charvak Lake, crystal blue water surrounded by breathtaking views. On your final day, wake up early for a short hike. Watch the sunrise, listen to the waterfall, and let nature reset your mind. 3 days of peacefulness and adventure. This is Uzbekistan. This is Wonderbro See the World. Skip the bills.